Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on HOTWAV Note 15 Pro. You have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and click install. And now you have to click open, and here click agree and continue. And now you can close this ad. Then click allow and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN in United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.